videoed at all today. And yes, I'm in what I was in the last video. I think the last video, because I just don't care. Okay? I don't have to smell good for anybody right now. No, not really. I don't think, I promise. But this one and I, uh-oh, did you drop one? Can you get it? We are going through the kitchen toys and food and stuff because I am actually, yeah, can you put that in there? Put it in the bucket. I am actually going to attempt to sell the girls' kitchen set because they don't play with it. And the only thing that gets done with it is he spreads everything around. And he doesn't even, like, play with it. So, I'm going through. That one's playing Minecraft. I got the living room vacuumed and mopped. Oh, my goodness. I'm looking for a Harry Potter disc. So, I'm, like, really cleaning. Plus, I had the energy to clean, and my house was getting a mess. And someone is bringing us dinner tonight, so I was like, let's start cleaning. And then I started this project, and now we're just all up a tree, right? Yeah? Yeah, there's the baby! So, that's what we're doing right now. And I didn't make a cleaning video. I'll make the next thing I clean, I'll make a video because it just, I forgot. Sorry. Yeah. Come here. You think it's still carefully? It's not gladly.
Carefully.
Okay. Good job. Okay, so now down here it says mark the adjectives with a box and the adverbs with a triangle. Then draw an arrow to show the word. No, it's not just the ly. It's the whole word that ends in ly. So what is slowly?
Slowly is an adverb.
An adverb. So you do the whole word in a triangle. Is that fun? How was school today? Good?
I want time to come out with John.
Well, he's doing homework. I'm
After
sorry.
this, Brooke.
Okay, what is tight? Oh my gosh.
Tight is a box.
Because it's a
Adjective.
adjective. So a lady from our church brought us dinner tonight because they're going to do that once a week or once a week or a couple times a month while John's gone. And she brought us a chicken veggie casserole, and it was really good with some salt and pepper. It was wonderful. And she brought some Hershey's Kisses cookies. And all the Hershey's Kisses are falling out, but that's normal. And everyone ate good.
Mommy, what about this?
That says trace and match. So you trace the letters, and then you match them to what starts with them. So if that's a B, what starts with a B?
This.
No, that's a flower.
This.
That's a bee.
This.
That's a fox.
This.
No, fox starts with F. And he's doing homework.
Oh.
She is coloring pictures for her teacher. This one is being a butt. And that one wants to do school so badly, but doesn't get any of it at all.
What does that spell with?
I'm coming, hold on. Okay, that's B. That's that's K. And that's F. So actually, this is rose. What letter sounds like R? Remember? Nope, that's K. There you go. R is Rose. So draw a line to it.
Okay.
There you go. Okay. What is this?
A bee.
A B, so it needs a B.
A
What do you have in your mouth? What do you have in your mouth? Cookie?
It is cookie.
Is that yours? Or did you just pick it up off the floor? Then it's his. What else do you have in your mouth? Do you have gum? Throw it away. You were supposed to already have brushed your teeth. Have you brushed your teeth?
Yes.
Then no, you cannot have that cookie. Give it back to the baby.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so kids are in bed. It's like 9:30, I think, and I am headed to bed after I get some. I'm gonna make myself some chocolate milk because I took my vitamins thinking I was headed to bed, and then John called, and they, I guess, give me heartburn. I've never noticed. I take my vitamins at night because they make me nauseous. You know, multivitamins can do that to people. And I know a lot of women who don't take vitamins, or like prenatal vitamins even, because they make me sick. Well, you still have to take them. For the health of your baby, take your vitamins. So take them at night. If your vitamins make you sick, take them at night before you go to bed. Because then you sleep through the nauseousness or heartburn or whatever it is. But I took them early and didn't go to bed. I talked with John on FaceTime for about half an hour, which was good. And then the kids were in bed by 7:30. I'm aiming to get them in bed by 7 so that they're asleep by 7:30 at least. I think. I don't know. We'll see. But it was a fight tonight because they've been, you know, out of the routine so long that after dinner we just play. No, you don't just play. You go to bed. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm not doing anything else tonight. I am exhausted. I've been exhausted since dinner. And honestly, I was headed to bed. But then I get distracted by YouTube. And I watch YouTube, and I watch YouTube, and I watch YouTube, and I watch YouTube. And one video leads to another, and then it's 9:30. So I am headed to bed after I get this chocolate milk done. My phone is shaking because I'm stirring my milk. Sorry. Can't do that, I guess. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you're new, thank you for joining us today. Hit that bell next to the subscribe button so that YouTube tells you when my next video goes up, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.